Custom Creations has launched a new engine cover for your Corvette C8. It's a $1,495 engine cover with fake velocity stacks, and much like a C5 generation Corvette with tail fins, it fools absolutely no one. This fake velocity stacks is designed especially for the C8. This engine cover is for appearance only. The velocity stacks are not functional and are 100% about looks. The fake stacks are screwed directly onto the top of the engine cover. The velocity stacks does not take in air through its engine cover. It's a good choice for enthusiasts tired of looking at plastic covers hiding behind mechanical bits. It could be an interesting alternative. Custom Creations currently lists a $750 deposit, with an additional $745 due when the units begin shipment in February 2021. That's a total of $1,495 plus taxes. Custom Creations will also paint the engine cover to match C8 shades as desired, which would cost extra. Let us know about your thoughts in the comment section.